All right, here we go. Question number 11 from our college algebra, homework number 6 in MyLab Math. It says use the compound interest formula to find the account balance where P is the principal, R is the rate, N is the number of compounding periods per year, T is time in years, A is the account balance. And notice nowhere in this problem do they give us a formula. So you're going to have to know the formula for compound interest. I've written all of the information down up here in this window. Let's get started. So first of all, since we know this is a compound interest formula, the formula that you're going to need to know is A equals P, parentheses, 1 plus R over N raised to the N times T. This is the compound interest formula, and you're going to have to know the values for P, R, N, and T in order to find the amount. So we have the principal. Let's grab a red here. The principal is 59,553. The rate is 4.5%, and we will need to convert that to a decimal when we plug it into the formula. All right, now, quarterly. You need to know that quarterly is going to give you the value for N, and quarterly means 4. Okay, so there's several different words they could have used. They could have said compounded annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, daily. They could have said any of those. So you'll need to know the value of N for whatever word they give you there. But quarterly is 4, and they give us the time. All right, so let's rewrite this formula doing a little plug and play. First, P, that is 59,553, parentheses, 1 plus. Now remember I said the rate, the percent, you're going to have to move that decimal to convert it to a decimal. So let's move it 1, 2 places. To convert a percent to a decimal, you always move that decimal 2 to the left, and that gives us 0.045. N, remember N is the number of compounds per year, and if they say quarterly, that's 4. Parentheses, raised to the N times T. So that's going to be 4 times 3.5. And I don't know about you, that looks a little confusing with those 2 dots there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that notation, and I'm going to say 4 times 3.5. I'm going to use a parenthesis to indicate multiplication. All right, so now your job is to actually calculate all of that junk out to a single value. And what better way to do that than with the handy dandy calculator? Yeah, so we're going to go to mode 1, and we're going to look at how do we input all of that into the calculator at one time correctly. Well, we're going to start with our 59,553, parenthesis, 1 plus. Notice here we have a fraction, and with the Casio ClassWiz, it is freaking easy to do a fraction. Bam, with the fraction button. 0.045. Move down and put a 4. Move over and close it, and then for the exponent key, bam. We're going to say 4 times, and I'm actually going to say times, 3.5. If you wanted to, you could say 4 parentheses 3.5. Either way, it's going to see that as multiplication, and there's our answer. So that's going to be 69,650, and we're probably going to need to round that to the nearest penny. So 0.32 cents. That is the amount in the account after 3.5 years, and let's verify that. 69,650 and 32 cents. Bam. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.